Good morning, friends. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, we will be discussing about part 3. Already we have discussed part 2. Have a look in playlist. Let us discuss what exactly the exams related to Indian Army. Who is the teacher of Gautam Buddha? Whatever the questions have been given, they have asked recently in the 2021 as per the new strategy. Let us see what exactly it has been given in the slides. Who was the teacher of the Gautam Buddha? Please remember, if I say political guru of Mahatma Gandhi, that is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Now it is as Gautam Buddha, that is Alra Kalama. He is the teacher of Gautam Buddha. And Patanjali, we are aware, he is good at medicine. Panini is the writer of Ashtadhyayani, and Kapil is irrelevant. So don't worry, other options we can learn a lot. So we should remember that is a BT seeds. Please remember, these type of BT seeds you will find in cotton. Normally cotton has got some seeds. Those seeds are black in color, so brown in color. So they are known as Bacillus thuringiensis. Please remember the abbreviation. You may be asked in examinations next. So what is BT? Bacillus thuringiensis. And we know rice and wheat, they don't have any kind of seeds. It's only one seed. So these kind of BT seeds are you will find in cotton. Now we have something electron microscope. Normally microscope is used to see the bacteria as well as small part, whatever the organisms. So here it was invented by whom? That is Knoll and Ruska. He was the scientist who had invented electron microscope. So as per the question, electron microscope Knoll and Ruska had invented, and Robert Koch and O.P. Swanson. You can comment me in the section what exactly they are famous for. Now we have the optics. This is produced from which bacteria or fungi? So this is tetracycline. From this optics is produced. As you can see, other streptomycin as well as Corymophagus. So this is one thing, streptomycin. We know that ampicillin, it's a bacterium, and streptomycin is also one type of medicine. I want you guys to comment me in the section. Whatever the optics we have, that is produced from bacteria and fungi. That is tetracycline is the one from which it is obtained. Now we have the Loktak Lake. Please remember, whatever the lake, that is Loktak, which is located in the place in Manipur, that is Moirang. It is a place from where we can see this Loktak Lake. These are the questions have been asked recently. So go through whatever the questions have been given. If I say reactions in which energy is absorbed are called what reaction? That is endothermic reaction. Please remember, there is exothermic. Now we have endothermic. So the reaction, whatever is absorbed, that is endothermic. Now we have the chemical name of H2CO3. We knew that H2SO4 is sulfuric acid, H2CO3 is carbonic acid. So this is the chemical name of H2CO3, that is for carbonic acid. We have phosphorus acid. I want you guys to comment me in the section what exactly the chemical name of phosphorus acid. Now we have the author of the Khulasat ul Tawarik. So Khulasat ul Tawarik, the book author Susan Rai. He is the guy who had written the Khulasat ul Tawarik. Rest all, Abdul Hamid Lahori is the guy who is the designer of Taj Mahal. If I say Abul Fazl, you can comment me in the section what exactly he had written the book. Inayat Khan as well as Abul Fazl. He is a prominent writer. Please comment me in the section whatever the books they had written. They may ask from the options A, B, C, D. Now we have Goldman Awards. These are given for the outstanding contribution in which of the following field? Let me tell you, the awards whatever has been given, have a look in playlist. The Goldman Award, this is given in the field of protecting environment, very important. So whatever the environment is we have, if we protect them, this Goldman Award will be given. So rest, there are various contributions towards education, towards journalism. So respective field has got the respective awards. So Goldman Awards for the environment purpose. Now we have the 5 kingdom classification of living organism. This was proposed by the scientist Whitaker. I want you guys to comment me in the section what exactly Hutchinson, Engler and Prantl, Bentham and Hooker. So recently they are asking different scientists what exactly they had proposed. So please go through respective scientists and their proposition. People are very important these type of questions, so go through them. Now we have the RH factor, which is also known as a rhesus factor. It was discovered by Landsteiner and Wiener. They are the one who had invented a rhesus factor, which is found in monkey. William Harvey, the circulation of blood has been formulated, and Malpighi, you can comment me in the section what exactly he has done. If you want the previous handwritten mathematics papers, you can ask me. That papers will be sent by speed post. Now we have xerophthalmia. It is one thing you have to remember. It is caused by the man due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Remember what exactly the disease. Xerophthalmia means dryness of eyes. You don't even get the tears from your eyes because of this disease. Rest, vitamin D is calciferol. It's a sun vitamin, and calcium deficiency you will have with this. So this is different. Vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin is the one. By deficiency of vitamin B12 you will have pernicious anemia. Now remember this, who is known as the Darwin of 20th century. So we knew that Ernst Mayr is the one. So Ernst Mayr is known as Darwin of 20th century. Rest, DJ Ivansky, he is a Russian who had found viruses related botanist. So you can directly go through, and he is Dmitry Ivansky. He is a Russian. Now we have RH Whitaker, he is from America. He is the person. I want you guys to comment me what exactly RH Whitaker as well as T.O. Deamer, the famous scientist, is for. You can check the playlist for more papers related to all trades. Now we have the study of nuclear cytology, which is known as karyology. If I say rhinology, the study of the nose is known as a rhinology. Neurology is a study of nerves, nervous system. Now we have the mycology, that is related to the fungal study. All options you have to remember. Iodized salt is useful for man because it controls the thyroid gland. That is the reason we start consuming sodium chloride, that is salt, rock salt. Normally it helps in the controlling of thyroid gland. If there is a deficiency, you will have the goiter. Now remember, digestion process, which is very important, stomach acid. And rest all, you can see what exactly the importance of whatever the elements we have in our human body. The production and management of fish is known as pisciculture. If I say aquaculture, that is something related to water. Now we have sericulture, that is related to silkworms, and apiculture we have related to honeybees. If I say aviculture, it is related to birds. These are very important thing you have to remember. Now we have, which are the following organelles in the cell is referred as powerhouse of the cell, that is mitochondria. Very important, guys. Now we have lysosomes, they are known as suicidal bags of cells. Golgi apparatus, very important thing you have to remember. Golgi apparatus, you can directly go through internet and you can comment me in the section what exactly the function of Golgi apparatus. Now we have ribosomes as well. Next, as you can see here, the one which is used in dry cleaning. So here it is very important, tetrachloroethylene is the one which is used in the dry cleaning, as well as petrol also used. If I say the kerosene oil, it is not the one. Coal tar is not also the one. So the maximum used, that is petrol as tetrachloride ethylene for the dry cleaning purpose. Stain remover you can call it as. Now we have crystalline solids that can be classified on the basis of intermolecular forces. Very important. Whatever the crystalline solids, those can be classified on the basis of intermolecular forces. Rest all, you can see what options have been given. Which of the following substances is used in the laboratory for a fast drying of neutral gases? So this is one thing. Anhydrous calcium chloride, that is CaCl, is used in the laboratory for fast drying of neutral gases. Here rest all, you can see phosphorus pentoxide, active charcoal, and sodium, whatever has been given. You can comment me the section Na3PO4 is known as what. So here anhydrous calcium chloride is used for the laboratory fast drying of neutral gases purpose. Now we have the ships and submarines have been designed on the basis of, I want you guys to comment me in the section, as per the Newton's second law of motion or Bernoulli's or Pascal's. Pascal's law is for the hydraulic pressure, equal hydraulic pressure. If I say Archimedes, this is law of buoyancy. So what are the ships and submarines? They design in such a manner. On the basis of Archimedes law of buoyancy only, they start designing. Rest all, second law is irrelevant, which formulates, that is force. Bernoulli's principle we can see in the helicopter, we have airplane, we have whatever the landing and taking off. So it's on the basis of Bernoulli's. If I say headquarters of SAARC, South Asian Association and Regional Cooperation Corporation, this is one thing you have to remember, that is headquarters is located at which place. So that is, I want you guys to comment whether it is correct or not. SAARC headquarters, is it in London? Sorry, is it in Islamabad or Kathmandu? I want you guys to comment me whether it is correct or not. So I know what exactly the correct answer. I want you guys to tell me the headquarters of SAARC is located at which place. Islamabad is Pakistan's capital. Nepal's capital is Kathmandu. Big Bang theory is indicative of expanding universe. Very important. What is LHC? Largest Hadron Collider. So this is one thing. As per the Big Bang theory, it's an expanding universe related thing. Now we have, when a piece of floating ice melts completely, what will be the effect on level of water? So the effect will be remains the same. So whenever the piece of floating ice that is melts completely, so the effect of the level of water will remain always same, because the ice is already inside the water. So the ice gets from the solid to liquid, so automatically it remains the same water level. Curie, we are aware that radioactivity is the unit of radioactivity. Rest ampere, we are aware. For current, we have the amps. Temperature we measure in degrees or Celsius or Kelvin, and we have here energy, which is in joules. Please remember all the units. Here radioactivity is measured in Curie. Who is known as father of modern chemistry? Anthony Lavoisier, the one who had given he also found one thing. I want you guys to tell me what exactly he is famous for. If I say the invention of nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen, you can directly comment me. Rest, Chadwick had found neutron. John Bell and Adam Smith is famous for what? I want you guys to comment me in the section. They are very important. Whatever the comments I am asking, I want you guys to comment me in the section. You people are not at all doing the efforts. In the exams, you may be asked from ABCD only, not the actual question. Now we have, what is the provision of the Article 356 of Indian Constitution? It is one thing, implementing president's rule in the state. That is what exactly Article 356 says. So whenever there is a calamity in a state, so a disaster, in that case the implementation of president's rule will overrule. So rest all, whatever Jammu and Kashmir special status as per Article 370, other A and B, A and C you can give me in comment section. We have the following salt is insoluble in water, which is not at all soluble in water, that is barium sulfate. Rest copper sulfate, magnesium sulfate and sodium chloride is salt. They directly soluble in water but not the barium sulfate. Very important question. Which element exhibits maximum radioactivity? That is polonium is the one that exhibits maximum radioactivity. Rest thorium, radium and uranium are the not as much as polonium. Now we have the natural gaps across the mountains which provides roots are, they are known as passes. Very important, whatever the gaps we have across the mountains, they are known as passes, like Natula Pass, Shipkila Pass. So these are the passes. So they are the gap across the mountains. They provide the route from one place to other place. Rest plates we are aware, and peaks are Mount Everest and everything. Dunes are also aware of it. So please remember the definition of the respective places. Now the deficiency of vitamin A, that is retinol, that leads to the disease night blindness, and we are aware that even with the vitamin A deficiency we have got eye dryness also. Goiter is because of the deficiency of iodine, which is known as Adam's apple. Tuberculosis, we knew that TB, Bacilli calmette guerin is the vaccine which is given for the tuberculosis that directly affects your respiratory tract. Beriberi is vitamin B deficiency. So this is one thing you have to remember. Which of these rocks is composed of shells and skeletons of marine organism? Here the rock limestone is the one which composed of shells and skeletons of marine organism. Coal we know that, quartz we know that, shale also we know that. So this is something different, and here limestone is the one which has got the shells and skeletons of marine organism. A sound wave has a frequency that is 1000 Hz and wavelength 50 centimeters. How long will it take to travel the distance of 500 meters? It's some formula based question, very important. It takes 1 second to travel 500 meters. So we knew that frequency has been given, lambda has been given. Now the speed of the new lambda it is, so that is velocity has been given. So velocity is equal to distance upon time. So after by doing that, time can be easily identified, that is velocity is equal to displacement over time, that is 500 upon time. So here 500 upon whatever the value has been given as per this, so that is 1 second is the time. Now we have an iron ball and wooden ball of the same radius are released from the height h in vacuum. The time taken by both of them to reach the ground is exactly equal, because they are independent of the gravity over the those whatever the bodies are there in the vacuum. If you see that there is no gravity in vacuum, so there remains exactly equal time will be taken. Normally it doesn't fall, it start floating only. So here you can tell, so whatever the time taken is exactly equal. So golf player, we know that Vijay Singh is a citizen of which nation? He belongs to the Fijian. If I say Jeev Milkha Singh, he is the guy from India, but in the case of Vijay Singh from Fijian, so please remember, he is a Singh, it doesn't mean he is from India. So please remember, if I say Jeev Milkha Singh, he is an Indian golf player. Tiger Woods from America. I want you guys to tell me, there is a Rafael Nadal, he belongs to which nation? And Roger Federer belongs to which nation? You guys can comment me in the section. It is one thing you have to remember, green revolution normally refers to what? Food grains, that is wheat. Here we have horticulture, that is also known as golden, and honey as well. Milk is for white, the father of milk revolution, that is Varghese Kurian. Father of green revolution in India, MS Swaminathan. In the world, if I say Norman Borlaug. In the case of sericulture, we are aware that sericulture, not the earthworm, sericulture is silkworms. Earthworms, you can directly tell me what exactly we call them as. Now we have something, what among the following is the reason for the heart attack? So whenever there is a maximum increase in cholesterol in the veins of the cardiac thing, then you will have the heart attack. Normally you have to put the stent, which is also known as pacemaker. So that works on biomedical engineering. On that, rest all you can see what exactly uric acid for the swelling of your joints. Now we have Gitanjali. It is a book written by the Rabindranath Tagore. From that we have taken Jangan Man. If I say Anand Mat, we knew that Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, from where the Vande Mataram has been taken. Kiran Desai, Inheritance of Law. She is the one who had written this book. And R.K. Narayan, Malgudi Days. And we know Mulkraj Anand, also one of the famous writer. You can write in the comment section what exactly the books he had written. Which of the following pair is correct? If I say Rourkela, which is located in Odisha, Vizag steel plant is located in Andhra Pradesh, Durgapur, you can comment me in the section, and Bokaro steel plant, where exactly it is located, you can comment me in the section. Now one thing you have to remember, metamorphism. So whatever the coal, we convert them into the diamond. The process is known as metamorphism. Normally gold we find in a free state. So it is one thing. Osmium is the one which is the heaviest metal, and copper is the one which is used in the lightning arrestor and even in the home domestic wiring purpose. So here metamorphism is the one which is a process in which coal is directly converted into diamond. So we knew that the carbon has got allotropes of diamond, graphite and C60 Buckminster fullerene. So these are very important questions. I want you guys to have a look in first and second part also. That will be very helpful for you. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. Jai Hind.